Let's create a bee in Nomad Sculpt.
Okay, so we're going to bring in a cube and just increase the width of this cube. Okay, and let's put this on 1 because we just need 1. Again, simplify 3 times to get that rounded square. Yes, perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is just pick out the parts that we want to highlight, the parts that we want to color. Now, the reason why I'm going to extract this is because it's going to make it easier to just add colors, right? Instead of just painting on the body directly. So if I change my mind later on, I could easily just pick the parts and just add colors to it, and you know, that's cool. I don't have to start thinking of doing everything all over again, right? Even with layers. So yes, and it also adds to the look too, so it's an extra point. If you want to go on to paint onto the body itself, you can also do that, but I'm going to just extract it, as you can see. Right, make sure that the extract setting is according to what you see for mine. So 0.01 for how much would be extracted. That's the thickness, as you can see up there. Right, so just going to bring that out too for the back side. Again, this is just so it's easy to paint, but I also kind of like the look. Yeah, it's a little bit of extra. Okay, and just want something cute, so I'm making it very circular shapes right here. I'm just going to paint it. You can paint any color you want. I actually changed the color later on because I think it was too yellow, so I had a little bit of orange. But like I said, you can put any color you want. You want an alien bee? Yeah, do it. So this is me just adding the colors and adding some roughness. That is how shiny or non-shiny your material is going to be. Subdivided the different sections so they look more smooth, right? And yeah, you see I'm still changing color here, so just do what you like basically. And the next thing I'm going to do is just move the wings. You can say I brought in a square and subdivided it, right? I'm just going to use the tool to draw out the heart shape, because I'm going to also extract this out of the square. Yeah, I'm just so I did that because the sides were being cut off. I might share this in a file below in the description box. Hopefully I don't forget. Well, I'm just going to increase the thickness here because I want this to be a little bit thick, and just going to hide that box in case I need it for later on. You can always delete it. Actually, you might not need it, so you can just actually delete it. So next I'm going to do is use the tube tool to just draw an outline around this shape, right? Yeah, so you can see I use the curve and then for the tube tool. So again, just add some extra flair. So you're gonna see the reason why I'm doing this down parts like this. It's so that it actually blends in with the body of the bee, right? And I don't need to subdivide because it's gonna be glass anyways, not so obvious. So you can see what I'm doing there, right? You can even reduce the topology of the one inside because I just realized it could be lower. So yeah, just adjusting to what I feel looks right, just using instincts basically. And going to change that material so it's transparent but not so transparent. It's not exactly glass, but you get the gist. Let's put the other wing. I mean, this part is self-explanatory. So, like I said, you're free to do whatever you like, right? 4 wings, 5 rings, 6 rings, like the. So I'm doing the eyes here. So what I did was use the insert tool and then clicked on circle or sphere actually, and just duplicated it. That's all. Just flattened it and duplicated it. So this is tube. Reducing the topology again, reducing topology. So you see it's the exact same approach that I did for that I had for the body that I'm doing for the mouth to reduce topology, and then use subdivide to get those rounded corners or edge. I don't know. Ends, I guess. So then I'm doing the legs. Again, I'm just using this tool to just you can see I use the pivots because I want to specify where the bend is going to be. So when you select pivots, right, just put it exactly where you want the bend to be, and then it's just on click and bend it a little bit. You see it's going to be on the exact position you picked. So that's what I'm doing here, and just going to clear that and push that upwards. Sorry for the right sound. I am a little bit sick at the moment. But yeah, so this, you can duplicate this again and just move it to the back, and that's all for the legs. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, just going to put on the post-process settings and add more lights because I want it to seem like the bees outside. So I'm gonna add enough lights. There's the spotlights, and yeah, you can add whatever lights you want. You could, if you've seen my flower tutorial, right, you could put it around the flower. So there's so many things you could do with this actually. Imagine this on the website, right? Like, and because the wings are separated, you can actually animate the wings. So in Nomad Sculpt you can't. Maybe through layers that would be a bit complicated. So these are the settings that I've used to get this look, this soft cartoony look, right? And just adding some little changes here and there. Gonna put that refraction, and now this pic looks better. And just going to add the background, maybe garden to just go with the flow, and yeah, voila. Do you know, I saw this picture on Britney Spears' Instagram, right? So I just searched for it because I liked it. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Did like an image search, and I got this picture. So now I'm just doing the honey pot. I don't know what a honey pot is. I've read what, like, I've seen it in books and shit, but I don't think I've ever actually seen one in my life. So, but anyways, I'm making it. And sorry for the cuss word. So yes, I am making with the lathe tool. Okay, I'm just going to use the tool again just to create the handle, just like that. Yeah, so fini. It's going to reduce the width and just something simple for the honey pot. So no kind of honey pot, better than now it's coming out from their bottom mouth. So yeah, so this is it, and I'm going to insert again a cylinder just for the honey. Just going to align that properly. Put that in there. Make it gooey, browny, sweet, delectable honey. Just going to change this to refraction. Reduce the color because I don't need that much. And again, I want to round it, so you know how I've been doing it. So I'm just gonna do that, and yeah, refraction. So I'm going to add in, to get that honey look, I'm going to actually add in absorption and then put the honey color. Right. Let's get that look. I'm just going to exactly increase the factor right there. Reflectance, and I'm just also going to use the brush tool to make it a bit more flowy. And that is it. Very simple. Okay, so yeah, basically done. Just showing the settings again. I used this is the outline, basically. It's gonna show. So I put this just for a little bit more contrast, actually, right, and sort of tie everything together. It's also the reason why I put green, right. And this is the perspective. You can increase, decrease according to what you like. Just gonna put the lights how I want it. You could put like blush on the cheeks. I forgot about that. But yeah, you could do that actually. Get pink blush or something. So cute. So once you are done with this, it's fine with this. Look at it, everything is fine and dandy, and I don't know. Did this still say dandy? Oh yeah, I just reduced the DOF here. Trying to see what matches up. Probably I've edited this part out. So you see, I'm just going to add a little bit more facade to it. So I'm going to make the wings additive material, so it also differentiates the little one from the parents or whoever are behind. But what I did was you can duplicate, make bigger, and just move to the back of the main bee, right? So yeah, basically that's it. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. I am again so grateful you guys watch my videos, and I am going to look into the requests for the different ideas I put in. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.